Why I believe we should go and live in the Philippines.
Hello mga higala, good morning. Going outside now to buy something.
5 minutes later.
So mga higala, nandito na kami. Pili-pili muna ng winter clothes. Palagas na kami ang ginaw-ginaw. Ang daming lamb, mga higala, oh. Nasa daanan lang. Tingnan nyo. Paano na kami? Pauwi na, pero dadaan kami sa kaibigan kong Pinay. Kasi nag-order kami ng binangkal at pandesal.
Binangkal, huh?
Yeah.
My favorite.
Paborito ng hubby ko. Kaya dadaan kami doon. Nandito na ako sa labas. Punta na ako sa bahay niya. Hi!
Yes, your red
Vlog.
velvet pandesal with cheese and
Guwapa na akong amiga.
Hi. Press click pa.
Okay.
Ambe, yung ano yung yung overcook. Gabi na ako game mo.
Ang saan? Fishball? Ang saan?
Ang fishball.
Ang fishball?
First time, I'm just experimenting.
May try pa na. Sige.
Equal.
Yeah, salamat, Aniha. Salamat. Bye-bye. Pauwi na kami mga higala. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung in-order namin na binangkal at pandesal. Tapos binigyan pa ako ng pre-test. Naggawa din siya ng fishball. At ang yung pre-test is pandesal strawberry. Yung in-order namin kasi is pandesal
And I'm not
red
going to
velvet.
let my wife eat all the pandesal, the strawberry one, because I like the red velvet ones. So I think the strawberry one is going to be just as good. Okay.
Tapos dadaan kami ngayon ng dadaan kami sa KFC.
Yes.
Hindi kami nakaluto ngayon for lunch.
Because you couldn't make up your mind whether you wanted fish or KFC, so I just decided let's go to go and do KFC.
Yeah.
Mostly because I didn't feel like fish.
Nandito na kami sa KFC. Dito na kami, nag-order na kami. Dito na. Sobrang lamig na dito mga higala. Grabe. Ang ginaw na. Umulan palagi. So ito na mga higala. Ito na yung pandesal red velvet namin. Binangkal. Tapos yung pre-test namin is strawberry pandesal. Tapos binigyan din niya ako ng pre-test lang fishball. Tapos nilagyan pa niya ng sauce. Dito mga Pinay dito mga guys. Mabait din. So, mga higala, ito yung binili namin. Pang winter. Again, bumili na naman kami kasi nga wala nga akong pang winter dito. May mga jacket ako. Pero nandun sa Pinas, hindi ko dinala dito lahat. Kasi nga, maraming bagahe. Tapos uwi na naman sa Pinas. So, ito bumili ako. More jacket. Ito. Ito. Tapos more leggings. Ito. Tapos ito.
Only 2 leggings?
Ito. Mga mga higala. Hindi ako hilig sa mga gusi-gusi dyan. Kasi wala kaming panggusi. So, ito lang mga higala. Nagpuntinto na ako sa maliit na bagay. Yung mga baratuhon raba. Nagpuntinto na ako dyan. So, mga higala, ito na yung mga binili namin ng KFC.
Hi, yes, we're having KFC. But just before we start to eat, let me talk about why I believe we should go and live in the Philippines ultimately and not live in South Africa. One, we are making money to be able to go and live in the Philippines so that we can start a business in the Philippines.
Na?
I've been hesitant to open up a shop again in South Africa because we're looking at almost, I'm trying 2 years from now that we will be in the Philippines. I think that long term we will be better off in the Philippines. We are also closer to home, to the family. And I think that for both of us, the Philippines is really where we belong, okay? I enjoy it. I enjoy the way of life in the Philippines. And I understand the people of the Philippines and I enjoy them. What do you say? You say
What
nothing?
else?
I think that's more or less it. Remember, I went to the Philippines for her, but when I got to the Philippines and I went down into Manila, which is crazy, and then down into the provinces, which is Leyte, I adapted to it and I understood it, and that I could live in that part of the world. South Africa is a beautiful country. I love my country, but I think that I found a better place for the two of us to go and live. That is home. It's the Philippines.
Ayaw niya mag-stay sa Maynila kasi daw magulo. Gusto niya talaga sa sa province namin, sa Leyte. Kasi nga, tahimik. Gusto niya doon.
But we don't want to go and stay in like Abu York, or we don't want to stay Tacloban because they speak Waray. And Southern Leyte, like Bauhal, speak Bisaya. So I've got to learn Bisaya, and it's not easy. I don't want to have to go there and have to learn Bisaya and Tagalog and Waray. But yeah, having said that, I think I'm open, but I think Matalom area, Patu, even Thomas Opas and Malibog area, for me is very nice, which is on Sogod Bay. But then I must also say, Lilo Ann I also like. From the pictures I've seen of Lilo Ann and the bridge, I also like it.
But Bohol, you want Bohol? Mindanao?
No.
No?
Mindanao I don't want to go to. I want to go and visit, because your sister's in Mindanao.
Yeah.
Bauhal I don't really want. I think home for us is Southern Leyte, or Leyte, okay? Right up to, what's it, Ormoc. You can even look right up to maybe there, but not Tacloban, and not in Ormoc itself, but in the barangays we're heading towards the Ormoc. We don't want to live in big city. If you want to live in a big city, then you might as well just go Tacloban or Manila. Or what's it, Cebu.
Ayaw niya ang Cebu at Manila kasi magulo.
So, yeah, that's where, yeah, we want to be in the provinces, okay? I think Mindanao is going to be very interesting to go and have a look at, because I follow someone on YouTube that lives down in Davao Oriental, which looks like a beautiful part of the Philippines as well. But to me, Southern Leyte is home. South Africa, although I've lived here all of my life, it's time to make a change. And the change, I believe, is better for us long term. Because long term, we open up a business and we make sure that we're not looking to get rich. I'm not looking to get rich. All I'm looking to say is have a good way of life, okay? And to have enough money in your pocket to buy what you want.
Yeah.
Okay. If we happen to become rich because we work hard, well then so be it, you know. But the aim is not that. The aim is to have a good life in the Philippines. And of course, I'm closer to my sister, which is in New Zealand. It's just a quick hop up to Manila, and then from Manila to Hong Kong down to New Zealand, which is 10 hours in flight, but I am closer than South Africa. And our daughter is in Philippines. All my family is in the Philippines, and I enjoy the family. I enjoy the closeness. And I enjoy
Then our daughter is there also.
Yes. And that is what is important, why we want to go home, okay?
Our daughter doesn't want to come here, so
No, and she's the clever one, okay? Africa is different. Like I said to you, Africa is very beautiful and very scenic, and we will still do vlogs on South Africa and the Western Cape as we travel around in these next 2 years, because I need to show May the different parts of South Africa. But Philippines, it has its own beauty, and I like the way of life in the Philippines. Simple. So I'm going to become a Filipino
soon.
soon.
So, mga higala, that's all.
now I would like to eat my kaki.
Me, I'm done.
I know. Well, I've been talking. May has been eating.
Eating.
Yeah, I know. I can see you on camera.
No. I know.
You should have these single wings, honey. Yeah, these are the burny ones.
Yeah. I eat this.
Huh?
I eat this.
Oh, these ones are the burny ones, the zinger ones. You want?
So say hi na kasi. Goodbye.
That's all for today, folks. Love you lots. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. And I'll let May say goodbye.
Say goodbye mga higala.
Goodbye, my gala.